Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change language on OPPO A60. In order to change the language of the system, we need to go to the settings. In the settings, you want to scroll down to go to additional settings. And then over here you have language and region. You can tap on this option in order to be able to edit the language. By default, you of course have the one that you set up during the initial configuration. However, you can press edit in order to add additional languages. So let's say I'm gonna choose Spanish. There we go. Press this plus button on the right side, and then you can choose if you want to set the language as the default system language or no. So let's say we want to set it as default, so I'm gonna press yes, and there we go. We have now the device in Spanish. If you want to change it, then you can tap on English once again, for instance, and then confirm the change to set it back to default. You can also edit one more time in order to remove unwanted languages by tapping on the minus icon on the right side. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.